Welcome to our tutorial on how to receive sound notifications for messages on Facebook using your PC. Facebook has recently updated this feature, making it easier than ever to stay connected. Let's dive into the simple steps to enable these audio alerts. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a bell icon, which represents your notifications. Click on this icon to open the Notifications panel. In the Notifications panel, you'll notice 3 dots in the top right corner. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu with additional options. From this drop-down menu, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various notification preferences. On the Notification Settings page, scroll down until you find the Browser section. Click on this to expand the options. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the option that says, Play a sound when a message is received. There should be a toggle switch next to it. Click on this switch to enable sound notifications for your messages. And that's it. You've successfully set up sound notifications for Facebook messages on your PC. Now, whenever you receive a new message while browsing Facebook, you'll hear an audio alert to grab your attention. This feature is particularly useful if you're working on other tasks while keeping Facebook open in the background. You won't miss any important messages, even if you're not actively watching your screen. Remember, you can always return to these settings and disable the sound if you find it distracting or if you need some quiet time. Facebook gives you the flexibility to customize your notification experience to suit your needs. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Stay connected and never miss a message again with Facebook's sound notifications on your PC. Happy messaging!